Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about Humbl stock. In this video we talk about stock pros and cons and latest news about it and technical analysis. The stock was trading at 0.031 US dollar in a day. We can easily see stock was volatile for a day. The volume of stock was recently not all time high, so the fundamental stock is much pretty better than other penny stock. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and also comment all related queries.